welcome back to my YouTube channel Math Card by Nidhi. So this is Nidhi Nanwani presenting the new video in front of you, in which we are going to see how to find out the prime numbers between 101 to 250. Students, it is easily available, the videos and the content easily available to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100, but rarely you will find this method, that how to find out the prime numbers between 101 to 250. So first of all, basically you know that the counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity, they all have been categorized into two categories. One is the prime number and second is composite number. So prime numbers are those numbers who have exactly two positive factors, 1 and the number itself, and composite number which have more than two positive factors or more than two factors. So about prime and composite number I have already discussed in my previous video, prime and composite numbers. The link of the same video I have given in the description box. So if you want to revise the prime and composite numbers, you can go through with that video. Now let us see some prime numbers between 1 to 20. So you know the number 2, it has only two factors, 1 and 2. So this is a prime number. Number 3, it also have only two factors, 1 and 3. So it is also a prime number. The number 5, it is also have two factors, 1 and 5. Number 7, number 11, number 13, number 17 and number 19. So between 1 to 20 there are total 8 prime numbers. These are here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Now prime numbers between 1 to 100 we already know by using sieve of Arrhenius. We have already find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So the sieve of Arrhenius from 1 to 100 will be used to find out the prime numbers between 100 to 250. So let's get started. For finding out prime numbers between 101 to 250, as I told you, we require the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So here in the chart, in the left hand side, I have already given the prime numbers with the blue ink, the composite numbers with the white boxes, and the pink one is given for neither. Neither means we can say this as unique number also, because one, you know that it don't have more than one factor. It has only one factor, that is 1. So the prime numbers are which have two factors and composite number which have more than two factors. So one is not categorized in any of the category. So it is also known as a unique number, right? So now let's get started that how to find out from 101 to 250. So here, as we have done in finding out 1 to 100, what we have done, first of all we have taken number 2 and we have circled that number 2, and then we have crossed all the multiples of 2, right? Like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So these are the even numbers. Same as we are going to cross all the even numbers in this chart also. So I am crossing all the even numbers from 101 to 250. All the even numbers I am cutting down, so they are considered as the composite numbers. So that's why they will not be in the category, right? So we are going to cross all the numbers. right? These are the last two numbers, right? Now we have cut down all the even numbers because all the even numbers are the multiples of 2, right? Now we have cut down all the multiples of 2. Now it's the time for number 3 because 3 is the next prime number. So we are going to cut all the multiples of 3 from 101 to 250. So the multiples of 3 you can do by using the divisibility rule also. We know that the numbers which have all the sum, the sum of all the digits of that number is divisible by 3. That means the whole number is divisible by 3. Like 102. 102 will be 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. So that's why 102 is the multiple of 3. But it is already cut it down. So we'll see the next number 103. 3 plus 1 is 4. No, it is not divisible. 5 plus 1 is 6. Yes, it is divisible. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. Not divisible. 9 plus 1 is 10. Not divisible. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Yes, it is divisible. So like this we need to find out all the multiples of 3. So I'm doing it here for you. 117, then it will be 120, then 123, then we have 126, then we have 129, then we have 132, then we have 135, then we have 138, then we have 141, then we have 144, 147, 150, then we have 153, then we have 156, then 159, then 162, then 168, then 171, then we have 174, then 177, then 180, 183, 186, 189, 192, 195, 198, 201, 204, 207, 210, 213, 216, 219, 222, 225, 228, 231, 234, 237, 240, 243, 246 and 249. So these are the multiples of 3, right? Now next prime number is 5. So I am changing the color to make it to look it more good. So next number is 5. So we will cut all the multiples of 5 in this grid also. So you know the divisibility rule of 5, that the numbers which are ending with 5 and 0 all are the multiples of 5. So it is very much easy. We will just take this line with having 5 in the end. We are going to cut all these numbers, right? And we know 10 line is already cut it down because all were the even numbers. Now next number is number 7. Now we are going to cancel out all the multiples of 7 in this grid also. So multiples of 7 are 105, already I have cut, 112 already done, 119, then 126, then 133, then 140, then 147, then 154, then 161, then 168, then 175, then 182, then 189, then 196, then 203, then 210, 217, 224, 231, 238. So all are the multiples of 7, that also I have cancelled out. Now the multiples of 11. So again I am changing the color. Let me take some like green. So for the multiples of 11 we have to cancel out now. So multiples of 11 are 110, which is already cut, 121, 132 already done, 143, then 154 already done, 165 already done, 176 already done, 187, then 198 already done, 209, then afterwards 220, then 231 already cut it down, then 242. Right, that's all. Now next number is 13. So now we'll cut the multiples of 13. So multiples of 13 are 104, 117, 130, 143. These all numbers are already cut it down, so we no need to take tension. 156, 169, but just we need to see whatever is not done, we have to cut that one. 182, 195, 208, 221, 221 is not done, so we'll cancel out this one also, and 234. Now next number is 17, so we need to cut the multiples of 17 also. So 17 is 102 already done, 119 already done, 136 already done, 153 already done, then 170 already done, 187 already done, 204 already done, 221 already done, 238 already done. Now next number is 19. So one by one we'll take all the prime numbers and we'll cut all the multiples of these prime numbers. Now 19 prime multiples are 114 already done, 133 done, 152 done, 171 done, 190 done, 209 done, 228 done, 247. Yes, it is not done, so we will cut this one. Next number is 23. So we'll take the multiples of 23 now. So 115 already cut, 138 already done, 161 already done, 184 already done, 207 already done, then 230 already done. Next number 29. The multiples of 29 are 116 already done, 145 already done, 174 already done, 203 already done, and 232, this is already done. Now next number is 31. So let me change the color. 31. So now the multiples of 31 are 124 done, 155 done, 186 done, 217, this is also done, 248, this is also done, 37. So the now multiples of 37 are 111 already cut, 148 already cut, 185 already cut, and 222 already cut. Next number is 41. So multiples of 41 are 123 already done, 164 already done, 205 already done, and 246 already done. Next number is 43. Multiples of 43 is 129 already cut it down, 172 already done, 215 already done. Then next number is 47. Multiples of 47 are 141 already done, 188 already done, 235 already done. Then next number is 53. So multiples of 53 are 106 done, 159 done, 212 done. Multiples of 59. So 118 done, 177 done, 236 done. Then multiples of 61. 122 done, 183 done, 244 done. 67. 134 done, 201 done. Then 71. Multiples are 142 done, 213. It is already done. Then multiples of 73. 146 done, 219. It is already done. Then multiples of 79. So 158 done. 237. This is already done. Then multiples of 83. So 166 done. And 249. This is already done. Then multiples of 89. So it is 178. This is already done. Then multiples of 97. So that is 194. That is already done. Now comes to 101. So 101 we are going to circle, and the multiples of 101 will be 101, and then it will be 202, which is already cut, and then we have 303, not done. Then next number is 103. So multiples of 103 are 206, which is already cut, and then next number will be beyond 250. Then next number is 107. So multiple of 107 will be 214. That has already been done. Then next number is 109. So the multiple of 109 will be 218. That is already done. Then we have 113. Multiple of this is 226, which is already cut. Then next number is 127. The multiple of 127 is 254, which is not there in this. That means now 131. So the multiple of 131 is of course 262. That is already not done. That means the remaining number, all the remaining numbers which are remaining here till 250, now they all are the prime numbers. So we are going to circle all of them. 137, 139, 149, 151, 157, 163, 167, 173, 179, 181, 191, 193, 197, 199, 211, 223, 227, 229, 233, 239, 241, and that's all. So these are the prime numbers from 101 to 250. So I hope children you have understood the method, the way how we are taking out the prime numbers beyond 100, right? So we'll meet soon in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much.